Why are K% and BB% essential? 4. Evaluating baseball hitters. Imagine a batter stepping up to the plate and swinging wildly, striking out every other at-bat, or another patiently drawing walks and extending at-bats. These actions tell us a lot about their approach. Now, how do we measure that approach? That's where strikeout rate and walk rate come into play. They are key parts of advanced batting metrics used in Sabermetrics, the science of analyzing baseball statistics. Strikeout rate, or K%, shows how often a hitter strikes out in their plate appearances. If a player has a high K%, it means they often fail to put the ball in play, which can limit their offensive value because strikeouts do not advance runners or produce runs. On the other hand, a low K% indicates better contact skills and a tendency to avoid unproductive outs. Walk rate, or BB%, measures how often a hitter earns a walk when they step to the plate. A high BB% suggests patience and good pitch recognition. It means the hitter is willing to take pitches outside the strike zone, earning free bases and boosting their on-base percentage. Walks are valuable because they give the team more opportunities to score without risking an out. Together, K% and BB% give a clear picture of a hitter's plate discipline. They show how well a player balances aggression with patience. A hitter with a low strikeout rate and a high walk rate is likely to be more consistent and productive over time. These rates help us understand a player's skill beyond traditional stats like batting average, which don't account for strikeouts or walks. Looking at players from different eras, these rates allow us to compare them fairly. Because they focus on percentages rather than total numbers, they aren't skewed by changes in season length or playing style. They help identify hitters who have strong plate discipline, a trait that has always been valued in baseball. Teams and analysts use K% and BB% to evaluate players. They can predict future performance by understanding a hitter's underlying skills. They also make it easier to compare players across different periods and conditions. If a player maintains a low strikeout rate and a high walk rate, it's a sign they are likely to be a reliable offensive contributor. In essence, K% and BB% are essential because they measure how often hitters strike out or walk. They reveal a player's ability to control their at-bats, avoid outs, and extend their time at the plate. These metrics give us a deeper look at offensive effectiveness that traditional stats alone can't provide.